everyone. I hope you all are healthy and fine. Stay at home, stay safe, stay healthy. Listen to your parents. So students, today we are going to do the various kinds of noun. There are various kinds of noun. First is common noun, proper noun, collective noun, material noun, abstract noun. Common noun, proper noun, collective noun, material noun and abstract noun. Today we are going to do common noun. Today we are going to do common noun. A common noun is used for identify a class of person, place, animal or a thing. For example, person, man, woman, boy, girl, father. Man, woman, boy, girl and father are the general names given to a person. Garden, city, school, park, house. Garden, city, school, park and house are the general names given to a place. Cow, cat, lion, dog, camel. Cow, cat, lion, dog and camel are the general names given to an animal. Book, chair, tree, flower, blackboard. Book, chair, tree, flower and blackboard are the general name given to a thing. So all these names given to a person, place, animal or a thing, they are known as common noun. Again I am going to give you the examples. Man, woman, boy, girl, father, garden, city, school, park, house, cow, cat, lion, dog, camel, book, chair, tree, flower, blackboard. All these names given to a person, place, animal or a thing and these are known as common noun. Here are some of the examples. This is a dog. This is a dog. This is a boy. This is a fort. This is a car. So all these are the general names given to an animal, person, place or a thing. All these are the names. So now we are going to do proper noun. What is proper noun? A proper noun is the actual name of a person, place, animal or a thing. It always starts with the capital letter, or we can say a particular name given to the person, place, animal or a thing, or we can say a special name of a person, place, animal or a thing, and it always start with the capital letters. For example, person. Mr. White, Rani and Robin are the particular names given to a person. Mr. White, Rani and Robin are the particular names given to a person. New Delhi, Mumbai and Bangalore. New Delhi, Mumbai or Bangalore are the special names given to a place. Kitty, Rocky and Pogo. Kitty, Rocky and Pogo are the special names given to the animals. Lily, Bible and HP computers. Lily, Bible and HP computers are the special names given to a thing. So, all these are the special names given to the person, place, animal or a thing is known as proper noun. Mr. White, Rani, Robin, New Delhi, Mumbai, Bangalore, Kitty, this one is Rocky, Pogo, Lily, Bible and HP computers are the special names given to a person, place, animal or a thing. Okay, all these are the special names given to a person, place, animal or a thing and they are known as proper noun and it always starts with the capital letters. Okay, now we are going to see some more examples. This is Rinky. This is Pluto. This is the Red Fort. This is the Honda City. All these are the special names or a particular name given to a person, place, animal or a thing. Rinky is a girl, Pluto is a dog, Red Fort is the place and Honda City is a thing. Okay, now I think you all understood proper nouns. Now we are going to do some more examples of common noun and proper noun. Boy, boy, girl, city, country, river, school and cartoon character. Boy, girl, city, country, river, school, cartoon characters are the general names given to a person, place, animal or a thing. So all these are called common noun. Rahul, Sonia, Delhi, India, Ganga, STB and Donald Duck. Rahul, Sonia, Delhi, India, Ganga, STBA and Donald Duck. All these are the special names given to a person, place, animal or a thing. So, all these are called proper noun. Rahul. Rahul is a special name given to a boy. So, Rahul is proper noun and boy is common noun. Sonia. Sonia is a special name given to a girl. So, Sonia is proper noun and girl is common noun. Delhi. Delhi is a special name given to the city. So, Delhi is proper noun and city is common noun. India. India is a special name given to the country. So, India is proper noun and country is common noun. Ganga. Ganga is a special name given to the river. So, Ganga is proper noun and river is common noun. STBA. STBA is the special name given to the school. It can be STBA is a special name given to the school. So, STBA is proper noun and school is common noun. Common means it can be any school, any river, any country, any city, any girl, any boy. And all these are the special names given to a particular person, place, animal or a thing. Donald Duck. Donald Duck is the special name given to the cartoon character. So Donald Duck is proper noun and cartoon character is common noun. So boy, girl, city, country, river, school and cartoon characters, all these are called common nouns. Rahul, Sonia, Delhi, India, Ganga, STBA and Donald Duck. All these are the special names and they are called proper noun. They are the special names given to a person, place, animal or a thing. So they are called proper noun. Children, I think you all understood the difference between a common noun and a proper noun. The pictures. Now I am going to tell you the difference between a common noun and a proper noun. First example, bicycle. Bicycle is common noun. Cap is common noun. Book is common noun. So bicycle, cap and book. Journal names given to a bicycle, cap and a book. So these are common noun. Father. Father is common noun. It can be any father. If I give the name to the father, Mr. White, then it becomes proper noun. Means a special name given to the father. So Mr. White is proper noun and father is common noun. Teacher. Teacher is common noun. Teacher is common noun. Mrs. Sen. Mrs. Sen is a special name given to a teacher. So Mrs. Sen is proper noun. Tree. Tree is common noun. Kite is common noun. Cards. Cards is common noun. Girl. Girl, it can be any girl. So girl is common noun. If I give the name to this girl, for example, I am giving Sonia. Then Sonia is a special name given to this girl. So Sonia is proper noun. Rinky. Rinky is a special name given to this girl. So Rinky is proper noun. School. School is common noun. Means a general name given to school. It can be any school. If I give the name to the school, STBA, then the special name given to this school. So STBA is proper noun and school is common noun. Market. Market is common noun. And if I give the name to this market, then it becomes proper noun. So only market is given means a general name given to the market, then it is common noun. Hospital. Hospital is common noun. Hospital is common noun. If I give the name to this hospital, then it becomes proper noun. It can be any hospital. Chair. Chair is common noun. Pen. Pen is common noun. Bat. Bat is common noun. Boy. Boy is common noun. And if I give the name to this boy, for example, Rahul, the special name given to this boy. So, Rahul is proper noun and boy is common noun. Mango. Mango is the special name given to this fruit. So, mango is proper noun. Goat. Goat is common noun. Lion. Lion is common noun. Means if I give the name to this lion, so then it becomes proper noun. Taj Mahal. Taj Mahal is proper noun because a special name given to the place. So Taj Mahal is proper noun. Fire station. Fire station is common noun. It is common noun. So students, I think you all understood by the pictures what is the difference between a common noun and a proper noun.